my name is Naomi, I'm 8 years old, and I'm so glad you are here today. Here on my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. My summer camp was canceled, so I'm making some fun summer camp treats that you can make at home. Today we're going to make ants on a log, plus a few fun variations. For classic ants on a log, here's what you need. Celery, peanut butter, and raisins. First, spread some peanut butter on a piece of celery. Look, a log. Now just need some ants. Here's some ants. Ta-da! Ants on a log. Now let's try it with some different ants. First, let's do chocolate chips. Hey look, another log. Time to put some ants on it. The next variation is blueberries. Hey look, another log. Time for some ants. There's 3 different ways to make ants on a log, but I think we need to make some more bugs. For next bug, let's do a caterpillar. First, you're gonna spread some peanut butter on the celery. Hey look, another log. For the caterpillar's head, I'm using a little tomato. And for his body, I'm using green grapes. I cut the tip off of a plastic bag and put peanut butter in it. I'm going to squirt 2 little dots on top of the tomato. And then I'm going to get these candy eyes and stick them on. Boop. And boop. Ta-da! I think he needs a smile. This smile's kind of wonky. These are the candy eyes I'm using. I found them in the baking section in my store. For our last bug, we're gonna do a snail. First, spread peanut butter on your celery. Hey look, another log. Now take a slice of apple with the bottom cut off, and then make a swirl on it. Now stick on a piece of celery. He's missing something. Let's give him a head. I'm going to use a grape. Now he needs some ice. Just do what you did with the caterpillar. Ta-da! There you have it, ants on a log. Which one's your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!